This is Kanchan Kolipatel, a 50-year-old widow who has two daughters. Threatened by her family has beaten her on several occasions. Why is she a threat? A widow with no male heirs demanding her rightful share in the family land is considered dangerous in a patrilineal society. The Hindu Succession Act grants daughters the same joint ownership rights as sons over paternal joint family property. However, family men continue to keep women out of land titles. Some women even get equal and joint ownership over marital property during the husband's lifetime. This phenomenon, particular to Gujarat, is called hayaati. This is done to avail benefits under government schemes for women farmers. Most daughters-in-law are especially denied joint land ownership. They have to wait until widowhood to have their names added to the land titles. Kanchan was thrown out of her marital home after her husband's death and the birth of a second daughter by her eldest brother-in-law, Lalita Koli. But her sister, who was also married in the same family, received her share of the inheritance following her husband's death, only because she had two sons. Kanchan is entitled to 15 bighas of land. She moved back to her husband's home and demanded for her share. Haribhai reacted violently. This abuse continued for years. With the help of Sanand Mahila Vikas Sangathan, a block-level non-profit organization, Kanchan found out that her name was added to the Pedhinama, an official document listing all legal heirs. To end the dispute, Haribhai gave Kanchan 1 bigha land in 2017. Kanchan, however, is determined to claim her full share. Now I'm going to get a lawyer and go to court to get my 15 bighas of land. But first, I will get my daughters' names added as heirs in the Pedhinama. That way, the three of us can fight together for our rights, she said. Jyotsna and Lalita Koli, two widows in the same family with sons who are still minors, are as much a threat to their family as Kanchanben is to hers. Dayabhai Koli, their father-in-law, and other family members accused the two women of killing their husbands. The family threatened to beat them, harassed their daughters, and denied them any financial support. They were forced to work as agricultural labor for rupees 100 per day. They were told that they would receive their share in the family land when their sons turned 18, and sometimes they were told that their share would be sold off. In reality, Dayabhai Koli has 54 bighas of land, 9.5 in his wife's name, 15 in his own, and 29.5 in his eldest son's name. After the two younger sons died, Dayabhai decided to sell off his 15 bighas. The two widows are now only entitled to the mother-in-law's share after her time. A social worker helped the two widows file a property dispute case with the district magistrate. However, no progress has been made in the case. The two women fear that they may be running out of time. Our father-in-law and Ganpat Bhai are planning to sell more land, and some interested buyers have already visited the farm. We know they will not give us any of the money if they sell. What will we do then? Asked Lalita.